Let me take a look at this area. Yes, it is right there. I see the infection.
When tooth decay breaks through the enamel, it penetrates deep into the dentin, reaching the vulnerable pulp chamber. Bacteria then cause severe infection and painful inflammation. Tiny files carefully clean the canals. Infected tissue and bacteria are removed. This leaves the space thoroughly prepared.
The cleaned root canals are disinfected. They are filled with a material called gutta percha. This replaces the infection with a healthy appearance. Experience the strength of a perfect restoration. Smile with absolute confidence once again. Share your brand new success story today.